Hey guys, do you want the power to become whoever you want? Let me show you how.
A secret agent, a kung fu master, stop being the side character in someone else's hero story. This time it's my turn. I'ma activate.
I definitely need more backup and more credit. And now it's time for me to show you how can you do it too.
Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Scene. Now we answer the most important question, how can you do it too? For you to become whoever you want in whatever movie you want, you just need to come to Higgsfield AI, and that's the website I use to generate my video, and come down to video and Seedance 2.0 and 4K, right? And just click on that, and when you come to create video and you look at how this works, it looks a bit confusing. It says add image and choose a preset and get a video, right? But didn't tell you how to do it, right? So I'm gonna fix that. So let's go to history. So as you guys can see, this is all the video I generated. And in here, there's actually prompt and images and everything. So let's just pick a really simple example, which this video you guys seen, the Kung Fu Master, which happened to be my favorite video out of the whole lot. And let's just click on this, and now we can reuse everything, right? And then we can let's just have a look how I did it. So pretty much it's just me, Reno, wearing image 1, which is a outfit like this, which you guys seen in the video, right? Standing center flame in an infinite white void, wielding an enormous ink brush. First brush stroke, tiger erupts from the ink and launch forward lower to the ground. And second stroke, first Chinese dragon coil upwards the left. Third stroke, second dragon rise on the right. Figure moves dynamically between the strokes. Ropes, tiger crouching in the front, two dragon forming symmetric arc behind the figures. Camera tracks the figure throughout. Slow dolly out, pull back on the final reveal. Highly contrast back in against pure white void. Studio lighting, cinematic, photorealistic. All right, so that is how easy it is, guys. So the whole concept is to add myself as an element, and you can describe what I'm wearing and what I'm doing, and then that's it. And I hit generate. Obviously, to showcase the capability of these models, I use 4K, all right, 16:9 and 15 seconds, and cost whooping 330 credits, guys. So that is expensive. That is very expensive. But hear me out. So for the whole project, I only made 7 clips of 4K 15 seconds, and I end up using 5 of them. So even though 4K is crazily expensive, but if you use it for commercial, or if you want to make some mind-blowing project that the world has never seen, 4K is definitely way to go. Well, now let's circle back a little bit to answer another most important question. How can you put yourself into the movie scenes? The bad news from what I heard, the Seedance 2.0 have very strong face filters. If you try to use it somewhere else with Seedance 2.0, and then most likely you upload your face, you'll get blocked. But then in Higgsfield, I found a way to bypass the restrictions. So when you go to Higgsfield's main page, and on here, there is a little search button. And if you click on there, and then let's search Soul ID. All right, so it's a Soul ID character. Just click on that. And then they will take you on to this page, And then you just create the characters, right? And then now it asks you to upload 20 photos of recommended one person clean fade multi angles. All right, let me show you guys what I uploaded. So I pretty much did a full 3D rendering of myself. So including side full body, front full body, and face. Like when I'm smiling, when I'm not smiling, and multiple angles, my left side, right side, and I even have an angry face, surprised face, and right side and front side and everything. I think I made a mistake is I made too many same photos. So which later on, I think it translated to a lot of artifacts on my face. I think you should probably do not use the same photo. Try to upload with the different settings. Probably will have better result. Once you go here, create, you upload everything, and you can just train this model. It's going to cost 25 credits and take about 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, you will have a avatar of yourself, like right here. So this one become an element. Now we come back to video generation, right? And now I'm become an element, can be called out any time. Like say, for example, I can just click on here and then I click on my face, I click use, right? And then now I'm here, say is drinking coffee, right? So that's how easy it is. Now if you generate, you will have 15 seconds of me drinking coffee and it costs you 330 credit. Obviously, that's not how you do it, guys, obviously. So if you're just starting out, right, you can choose 480p and then you can generate, let's say just 6 seconds, right? And it costs 18 credit, you know, no problem, right? Let's try it out. Just hit it generate and see how good it is. This is how you're starting out to learn AI video generation. It's like driving. You don't drive 280 miles an hour the first day you learn driving. You drive 20 kilometers an hour, all right, guys? So experiment, understand the prompt structures, understand the element, and then you can push limits. You can create anything you want, and you can be anyone you want. While we're waiting for this video to be generated, I want to cover a few other problems I've encountered during the production. One of the most frustrating part of this is the sound. So Seedance 2.0 where actually generates music by itself. It is okay if it's something like the Secret Agent standalone 15 seconds, right? But if you come down to the monster fighting, then the music is not matching, and humans have such a sensitivity to sound than footages. So you can obviously feel there's a little bit disconnection because of the music. So that's one of the biggest mistake I make is I think if you want some serious production, you want a continuity, which you can by using some advanced techniques called first and last frame, which that's beyond the scope of this video. And the other part is the audio and the lip sync. Let me show you guys. This is the very first video I generated and didn't make the cut because it was generated 720p as a test.
This doesn't make sense. Could be Chinese or Egyptian or maybe it's alien.
And as you guys can see, the lip sync and everything's perfect, but the only problem is that is not my voice, okay? So, and then let's look at this one. This one's actually my voice. This doesn't make any sense. Could be Chinese, Egyptian, or maybe alien? Wait, what is this?
I probably should not have touched that.
Yeah, so this one didn't make the cut either because also it's 720p. All right, so but then what we can see, this is my voice recording. But as you can see, this one have much natural sound because the sound, the model have blended the sound of the characters and everything very well with the environment. But this one, when I record my voice and use my voice as driving sound to drive the video, and then the video have this really weird sound combination. The sound design and the music, I think that's a very big topic. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to solve that issue within this video. Alright guys, so now the 480p video of me drinking coffee has been complete, and let's have a look at the result. Alright guys, so that is pretty cool, right? So if you're making a film or something, that could be just one clip, right? And then you can make the next one. And I'm so glad I show you guys live and how easy this is, which is just writing a prompt. And speaking of a prompt, let's get to problem number 3, was prompting. So the prompting was not easy. I think a prompting for Seedance 2.0 is a master degree topic, but I would suggest you guys to experiment with some simple prompt and get a feel about how this model reacts before you go something crazy like 4K, because I put a lot of effort to prompt every single scene. So because I have a very limited generations, and by the way, I want to say big thank you for Higgsfield team to invite me to testing out the most cutting edge model in the world, Seedance 2.0 4K, and providing me the credits and sponsor this video to make this video possible. And most importantly, they give me full creative freedom so I can do whatever I want with the credits, and I think I deliver the best result I can. I will leave all the prompt I use for this video in my video description, and you guys can download and study. And if you guys still watching till this far, give this a try. And the next, I'll be thinking, can I replicate the same effect in the local models? All right, guys, and stay tuned for my next creative project. What are you waiting for? You should starting to prompting right now. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.